Let us continue with next one. That is question number 24. The half-life period of a first order reaction is 60 minutes. So they have given that T half is equal to 60 minutes. What percentage will be left after 220 minutes? So they are asking that what is the amount of the substance that is left after 220 minutes. So according to the equation, we know that T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. So we already know the value of T half, so that we can get the value of K, that is 0.693 divided by 60, which comes out to be 0.0155 per minute will be the value of K. So according to first order equation, we know that K is equal to 2.303 by T into log of A divided by A minus X. So let the initial amount or initial concentration of A be 100. Therefore, the value of K is how much? 0.011, 0.0, it will be 0.011, 0.01155 is equal to 2.303. Time duration it has been given as how much? It is 240 minutes into log of 100 divided by 100 minus x, that is 100 divided by 100 minus x. So here let us keep this a minus x as a constant, so that I can retain it as what? A minus x itself. So here on rearranging the terms, I can get it as 0.01155 into 240 divided by 2.303 is equal to log of 100 divided by a minus x. So when we simplify this, it will be around 1.204 is equal to log 100 minus of log of a minus x, that is 1.204 is equal to log 100 is 2 minus of log of a minus x. Therefore log of a minus x is equal to 2 minus of 1.204. Therefore log of a minus x is equal to 0.796. Log of a minus x is equal to 0.796. So it implies a minus x is equal to anti-log of 0.796, that is equal to 6.25. So here the correct option that has been given for the question is option A, that is with 6.25 percentage, that is with option A, 6.25. Next one, when we continue with the next question, that is question number 25. So it has been given as for a chemical reaction. So they have given a reaction MA will give rise to X into B. The rate law is given by, they have given the rate law, R is equal to K into A to the power 2. If the concentration of A is doubled, reaction rate will be doubled, quadrupled, increases by 8 times, unchanged. Okay, so based upon this, the given equation is what? R is equal to K into A to the power of 2. So it has been given that concentration of A is what? Concentration of A is doubled. Therefore, the rate equation can be written as R is equal to K into 2A to the power of 2. Therefore, R is equal to 2 square is 4, that is 4K into A to the power of 2. So, K into A power of 2 can be written by, K into A power of 2 can be written by what? R. Therefore, this rate, I call this as rate is equal to 4 times of what? 4 times of rate. Hence, it is what happened? It has been quadrupled, which is given by the option B. Next, question number 26. So in question number 26, it has been given as 3A gives rise to 2B rate of a reaction, that is they are asking the rate of a reaction plus of dB by dt is equal to. So this is the given equation. This is the concentration of the reactant. So since the concentration of the reactant goes on decreases, it is written by 1 divided by 3 into d of concentration of A divided by dt. So product will be increased plus of 1 by 2 into dB divided by dt. Therefore, they are asking us to calculate dB by dt. Hence, I can write it as concentration of D with respect to B, that is dB by dt is equal to minus of 2 by 3 into dA by dt. So that is minus of 2 by 3 into dA by dt is given by what? Option B. Next one. Question number 27. So when we study with question number 27, it has been given as the activation energy of a chemical reaction can be determined by evaluating the rate constant at two different temperatures, changing the concentration of reactants, evaluating the concentration of reactants at two different temperatures, evaluating the rate constant at standard temperature. So we know that energy of activation is calculated by the formula log of K2 by K1 is equal to EA divided by 2.303 into R into T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. So this is the equation to calculate the energy of activation. To know the energy of activation, we should know the rate constants K2 and K1 at different temperatures. Hence, the correct option for this question is what? Option A. Next one, question number 28. For a reaction, so they have given a reaction that is half of A gives rise to 2B. Rate of disappearance of A is related to rate of appearance of B by the expression. So let us rewrite this. So since the concentration of the reactant goes on decreases, I can write it as minus of 1 divided by 1 by 2, which is nothing but minus 2 into dA divided by dt. How minus 2 I have written means minus of 1 divided by 1 by 2. So again it will be minus 2. Minus 2 of dA by dt is equal to plus of 1 by 2 into dB by dt. Hence, this can be written as a disappearance they are asking, that is minus of dA by dt is equal to 1 by 4 into dB by dt. So this is the equation. So 1 by 4 minus of dA by dt is equal to 1 by 4 dB by dt is given by the option A.